Ever wondered how to write a comprehensive summary of your PhD thesis? This pivotal step is key in sharing your research findings and contributions with the wider academic community. An effective summary encapsulates the heart of your research, from the problem you've addressed to the methodology you've employed and the significant outcomes you've achieved. This video will guide you through a step-by-step process to distill your thesis into a clear, concise summary. So without further ado, let's dive into the process of creating an effective summary. The first step is to identify the core elements of your research. Start with the research problem or question, which is essentially what your thesis is addressing. Then move on to your research objectives, the goals you intended to achieve. Your methodology, the techniques you employed, should follow. Next, spotlight your key findings. These are your main results. Don't forget to articulate your contributions to knowledge, and finally, discuss any practical implications of your findings. Once you've identified these core elements, you're ready to structure your summary. Structuring the summary is a crucial step in ensuring clarity and conciseness. Begin by introducing your research's context, including the problem addressed and its significance. Follow this with a literature review, summarizing relevant works and positioning your research within the field. Clearly state your research objectives next, then describe your methodology, present your key findings and discuss their implications, before concluding with a summary of your research and a reiteration of your findings' significance. With a structured summary in place, it's time to focus on the language and tone. The language you use can greatly impact how your research is received. Just like the various elements in a chemical reaction, your choice of words, tone, and structure can significantly affect the outcome of your thesis summary. Let's look at three important aspects: language, objectivity, and proofreading. Firstly, language. It's crucial to employ clear and concise language. Avoid jargon and overly technical terms. Remember, your aim is to reach a broad audience, not just fellow researchers. Secondly, objectivity. Keep your tone objective throughout the summary. Focus on the facts and findings instead of personal opinions or speculations. This way, your research stands on firm scientific ground. Lastly, proofreading and editing. It's like the last line of defense, ensuring your summary is free from grammatical errors or inconsistencies. This final step polishes your summary, making it professional and ready for the academic world. Finally, never underestimate the value of feedback. Your colleagues and supervisors can provide invaluable insights that can refine your summary to perfection. Feedback is an essential part of the writing process. It sheds light on areas that may need improvement, so don't hesitate to share your summary with your supervisor or colleagues. Their insights can help you refine and polish your work. Remember, it's all about making your research as clear and impactful as possible, and the more eyes on your summary, the better. Take constructive criticism in stride and use it to your advantage. By following these steps, you can create a compelling summary that effectively communicates your research. Did you find this video helpful? If so, don't keep it to yourself. Sharing is caring after all. Pass it along to your fellow researchers, classmates, or anyone who might benefit from these tips on writing a powerful thesis summary. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This way, you won't miss out on our future videos packed with handy tips and tricks to enhance your research writing skills. Thank you for joining us in this video. Stay tuned for more research writing tips and guidance. Until next time, keep writing, keep refining, and keep shining.